Hey guys, I'm here to talk for less and I would like to answer some of the questions we're getting every single day. Now, I want to start with the iPad. How do I set up an iPad? How do I even charge it and how do I get started with it? This is the iPad right here. How do I plug it in? How do I charge it? This is the charger. This part here goes straight inside the wall. The other side, the tiny little plug here, goes right down here underneath the circle. There's a tiny little plug in. Just plug it in right there and it charges immediately. Then we have a button on top of the iPad. We're going to push that. We're going to push the circle down here and it takes us straight to the desktop of the iPad. Now, once you're on the desktop of the iPad, you want to know how to activate the Wi-Fi. It's as simply as this. You just click on settings. You go on Wi-Fi on the corner on the left side. Then it shows you an entire list of what kind of Wi-Fi's are available. You choose yours. You click on it, you type in the password, and then on the right side on top, you just click join, and that's it. Another question is how to set up your language. You go to settings, you click on it again, you go to general on the left side, click on it, perfect, and then where it says language and region, a little bit further down, you click on it, and you see on top it says iPad language. Right now ours is in English, but you can click on it. You can either scroll down, you see all the different versions we have, or you can go on top and you just simply type in whichever other language you would like to choose. Now, for safety reasons, a lot of people want to have a password on the iPad, which we highly recommend as well. All right, how do we do that? We go to settings, we click on it, and then on the left side, if you scroll down a little bit, it says Touch ID and Passcode. You click on there. And then you see it says turn passcode on. If you click on that, you can just literally simply choose your own password, whatever you want. And that's it.